Hey yo everybody, welcome back to InZaNe TRD. How y'all doing? It's your boy Eddie back again with another video. And I have another video for you guys today. Well, this was an updated video because I was supposed to upload an install video on the new tail lights that I have. Yes, the triple beam headlights, smoked out. I recorded on my phone because my camera had died and the footage from my phone didn't want to transfer onto my computer, so I wasn't even able to upload it or edit it or anything like that. So one of the homies with a different Camry hit me up on Instagram and asked me if I could help him with this install, and that's what I'm gonna do today. He's coming over, I'm gonna do the install, and I'm gonna record the install with his headlights and his car, obviously, because it didn't work with mine and I already installed mine. So yeah, he's on his way right now. He has a white Camry SC, I think, and that's what we're about to do today. So this is what the daylight running lights look like, but there's a wire that's on there that came with it that I don't know where it gets connected to. I emailed them, but they still haven't emailed me back, and I'm still waiting on the email. But yeah, I mean, I don't know where that wire would go. I hit up some guy who has them and he told me he put them into the fuse box, but I don't know where in the fuse box. And I think that's that Camry because I can hear it. I think it has a muffler delete. But yeah, it sounds like it. Sheesh, homeboy came through. Homeboy came through here. Let the vlog know what's up. But yo, I'm about to install my boys. Carry these for me real quick, my boy. Appreciate you. His his high ref triple beam lights. He got the clear reflective ones. As y'all can see, I got the dark covered ones. He got the clear reflective. I think this is hard as hell. I don't like the regular stock orange ones, bro, because that's just not my vibe, but this is the vibe right here. And then it goes with his tail lights too. Whole ass vibe. But sheesh, let's get this install started, y'all. But fuck, before we even start, I forgot. As y'all know, y'all gotta take out these little cups, these little plastic clips to get into this, and we're gonna have to remove the bumper just to get some clear access. We don't have to remove the whole thing, just remove a bit of it just to get some clear access. Then we gotta remove this bolt. There's two bolts right here on the side that you gotta take off. One's here and then two under that that we're gonna have to take off, and the same thing goes on this side. Like I'm saying, it's gonna be an easy install, but I'm here to help y'all. So I took out all the bolts already that I was missing that needed to get replaced. This one needed to get taken out. This one, which all goes right here. Same thing with this side, you know, remove that one, remove this, remove that one. And I told you about those two, and that's what covers in front of it. And now it's out, and then I'm gonna just cut this little piece out to release this harness. And we're chilling. Bro, we got the headlights off. Told y'all, it took me like 20 minutes, bro, no cap. And now we're about to install the triple beam, bro. About to light fire, son. We got them on, but we gotta see if they work. You feel me? Oh yes, sir. Sheesh. Looking nice. That's a whole different look to the Camry. You feel me? Yes, sir. And then if you ever want to do just those other ones, I think it's that one. Yep. Sheesh. That's crazy. Supra. And just like that, we got the triple beam clear reflectors on. Look at this, bruh. On the homie's Camry. Sheesh, bruh. This shit looking dummy hard. Dummy hard. What you think, bro?
Too fire, bro.
Too fucking fire, bro. It's too fire. Jeez. So we did connect that black harness that I was telling you guys about that I didn't know. We did connect it into a fuse box because the guy sent him a picture that it should go in the fuse box. At least that's what he did. So we connected it, and hopefully when he's driving, those daylight running lights are still on and not all these lights. It should just be this light running on. Hopefully it works though. We connected it, praying that shit works, bro. Let's hope. It is what it is, and let's hope it works. Because I haven't done it to my car, so he's the first one that we've connected it to. So let's pray that it works. But you guys saw the lights did work. Everything was running. Let's just see. Right now, he's gonna take a little lap, and we'll see if it runs or not. And the daylight running lights. Let's get that shit, bro.
Let's go.
Let's go. Ooh. seen that, but hold the fuck up. Hold up. I want you to witness that, because I didn't know that shit did that. Hold the fuck up. Just witness what that shit does, bro. I'm gonna turn it on and turn it off real quick. The lights are off, right? Look at him. Look at him, bro. Look at that reaction, bro. Right? That shit's hard, bro. So hard. Dude, that is fucking hard, bro. I didn't even know that happens. I just saw that. I hope my lights do that shit. What the fuck? That was hard. Alright. Let me see. Let's see if you have the switch that I told you on. Let's go right here. Let's see. Oh yeah, so they're still on. I don't know what that wire would do, but yeah, those lights are still on. But shit still look hard. Shit still look hard. Oh my god. Bro, those triple beam headlights look amazing. But y'all saw that startup? I didn't even know it does that. I honestly did not know it does that. That shit was hard. So yeah, as you guys see, the daylight running lights don't just run on themselves. I thought it would, but it doesn't. The two views, you guys got the clear reflective ones, and then you got mine. Mine are the dark smoked out gray ones. But yeah, see that? That's crazy. And here we have both the Camrys lined up together with their triple beam. Yes, sir. Like I said, clear reflective, smoked reflective. And we got them right side by side. Look at these beauties. Damn. And shout out to the homie Roger right here, dog, for letting me do his install. He was like, yo, he hit me up and was like, yo, help me. I got you, dog. I got you. And now homie gonna be stunting on the roads in Rosemead, because yeah, homie lives an hour away, but hey, he repping over there, you feel me? He repping over there. Damn, bro, if y'all like this video, hit the like buttons, hit the subscribe button if you guys are not yet subscribed. I hope you guys found this install very helpful. Maybe you guys, if you guys needed help with it, if you guys do buy your own triple beam headlights. And yeah, this has been your boy Eddie, and I'm out.